Welcome to aminacademy.com. In IB Diploma Mathematics, let us discuss about graphs of logarithmic functions. Consider the exponential function f of x equal b power x, where b is greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1. The graph of y equal to e power x, then y equal to b power x, here this is y equal b power x, and for 0 b is greater than 1. This graph is for b is greater than 1. Look at this graph here. Suppose y equal to b power x. Put x equal to 1. What happened? X equal to 1 means y equal to b power 1. Y equal to b. This is the point here. And suppose x equals 0. X equals 0 means b power 0. That is y equal to 1. Like here, but we have to keep that limit is lesser than 1. B cannot be reach 1 because it never touches the y-axis. Now let us find all these f(x) to find then y equal log base bx, then which gives x equal to b power y. Therefore you can say if f of x equal to b power x, then we can say f inverse of x is log x base b. Not here. Domain of f inverse is x is such that x is greater than 0. Range of f inverse x equal to y is an element of all real numbers. Here domain means x value, range means y values. Now the same graph, if you draw a graph like and here also this is a f inverse function. and which is symmetry with, here symmetry with this x-axis, here the symmetry with same here. If it's now let us do some example problem to understand this concept clearly. Consider the function f of x equal log base 2 x minus 1 plus 1. Domain. How to find domain? For domain, x minus 1 must be greater than 0, positive. Therefore, x is greater than 1. This is a domain. Therefore, domain you can write as x is such that x is greater than 1. That means the domain values are positive values of x. And range, for the range, range is y is an element of R. All values of real number is range. Then asymptote, for when x equals 0, when x equals 0, what happened to this function? Therefore, y gives minus infinity, and so therefore x equal not 0, x equal to 1. X equal to 1, then we can say x equal to 1 means here we have to put it 1. Then y value is minus infinity. So you can say x equal to 1 is a vertical asymptote. Is a vertical asymptote. When y equal to 0, then we can say log base 2 x minus 1 equal to minus 1. Then we can say x minus 1 equal to 2 power minus 1, which is equal to half. Then x equal to 1 plus half is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, x-intercept x-intercept when x equals 0, here y is undefined. Y is undefined. That means we can say no y-intercept. No y-intercept. Yeah. Then here x minus 1 equal to 4 log x minus 1 base 2 equal to minus 1. Then x minus 1 is 2 power minus 1, which is half. Therefore x equal to 1 plus half is 3 by 2. Therefore x intercept. Therefore x intercept is 1.5. Next one. How to find f inverse x? For that, y equal log x minus 1 over log 2 plus 1. Then from this we can say we have to find f inverse x. We know that y equal given log of base 2 x minus 1 plus 1. Then from this we can say x equal first. From this we can find x equal to log of base 2 y minus 1 plus 1. From this we are getting this. After that, x minus 1 equal to log base 2 y minus 1. Therefore, y minus 1 can be written as 2 power x minus 1. Therefore, y equal 2 power x minus 1 plus 1. Therefore, from that we can say f inverse x is change y as x is equal 2 power x minus 1 plus 1. Then domain of f inverse x equal to x is an element of R. This is a domain. The range is y is such that y is greater than 1. So far we discussed about logarithmic graph of logarithmic function and its inverse functions. If you have done, please subscribe our YouTube channel.